In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. If this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And if you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the section down below, and I will reply to them as soon as possible. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com, and I'm currently logged into my account. So what you want to do is come across to roblox.com first of all, and once you're logged in, if you come up to the top, you've got these options like Discover, Marketplace, Create and Robux, and what you want to do is hover over and click onto Create. So this is going to take you across to the Roblox studio. Now if you've not used this before, then what you can do is create your first experience here and obviously set up your game pass from there. However, if you get directed to the screen, if you just click onto the Manage My Experiences button underneath, and what it's going to do is take you across to your current experiences. So what I'm going to do is show you this one as an example, and what you want to do is select your experience that you want to make a game pass for. Go ahead and hover over and then click the three dots that appear, and then what you want to do is come down and click onto Create Badge. So this is going to take you across to a page that looks similar to this, and from here, if you look to the left hand side, you're going to get this menu come up. So what you want to do next is actually click onto the option that says Associated Items. And then from here, what you can do, you've got a choice of badges, passes and developer products. So what you want to do is of course select the passes option here. So I've currently not got any passes set up, so I'm just going to show you how to do this from scratch. So what you want to do is click the blue Create a Pass button, and then you're just going to fill in some information. So you can upload an image, name your game pass, and of course write a short description. So as you can see, I've filled in this form, so you can see I've got my image set up and I've just put test and test in the description, but of course you can put whatever you want for this game pass. And then once that's done, just come down and click the blue Create Pass button down here at the bottom. And after a second or two, that's going to go ahead and set this game pass up for you. So you're going to see it's going to take some time, first of all, to be verified by Roblox. It's not going to be for sale straight away. You can see it says off sale. What we can do whilst we're waiting, we can actually set the price for this game pass. So to do that, all you want to do is click onto the game pass. Next, what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto sales. And then from here, what you want to do is change this toggle switch to on so that the item is for sale. And what you then want to do is put your price in Robux in here. So what happens is you do receive 70% of the sale. So for example, if you put like 10 Robux, then you're going to earn 7 Robux from this sale. Once that's done, of course, go ahead and click the Save Changes button down here. And it's going to come up at the bottom saying that the pass has updated successfully. And what we can then do is click on back to associated items. And then if we come back to passes, you can see that this is still being verified currently, but you can see now the price is shown underneath for 10 Robux. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.